The table. It's been a few days. I got the correct screws. These ones are long. So we're going to put it together right now. And it's going to look awesome. Hopefully. Alright. Oh! I see what you mean. Just trying to hold the floor. God damn, how weak is this fucking concrete? Are you filming?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. That was doing something. So I need to line this up so I can put the screw in and it will actually hold. We're going to do two per leg. So we're going to put two of these screws per leg. I have the leg supported by just a paint can or something. I have the top part of the table supported by one of the pieces of wood that's going to go right here against the tires, so it doesn't fall back as I'm applying pressure. And like I said, hold them by the paint can right here. Cool. Level 1 is too weak. Is it going in? Cool. I think it is. Yep. That's the kind of flimsy. But another one. That's why I don't like these dogs. They're a pain to grab stuff with. I think I should put one like this under here. What do you think?
Through there?
Yeah.
Mm.
There's a proper way to do this. I just haven't done it. You first make the hole with a drill bit, and then you pass the thing through there. It's gonna crease the channel. No, let's do it that way. Let's do it the proper way. Alright, so we're gonna make the starter hole with the drill bit, just so the screw doesn't start moving around on me and make a mess and then just come out all crooked and stuff. And this will add some support, putting a screw through this way like this, going into this one, so it doesn't wobble like it does now. See, something like that, that's what it would do. Okay. Now I get this. And I should go in pretty good. There you go. It's still a lot sturdier. Did the freaking bit just break itself off? Seriously? Okay. What was this thing? That's a little magnet?
What happened?
Something came off somewhere. Yeah, it's the magnet that goes in here. Came off. Which is insane. That's never happened. Oh, great. So much for Milwaukee being a good brand, right? The little magnet just comes off. Still kind of loose. That should be fine. Okay, next one. We're gonna put the other leg somehow. All right, we're going to the second leg. This one's in there good. I'm gonna need to add see, I just holds itself up by before I just dangled around. We're gonna eventually add some bracing on the bottom, on the side, connecting it to each leg, so they hold each other sturdy, so they don't just buckle. You know, we don't want some camber on the table. That'll be bad or safe. Okay, so this is how much we have. I know it's tall. Right now I'm 5'8.5", just for reference. Right now the table's I think like 4'11", 4'08". So I am gonna cut the legs. Whenever I went to Home Depot and got them to cut the legs, I thought it would, 4 feet would be good enough. We need like 3.5 more like then, because of like all the layers that this thing has, the pallet has. But this is how it is right now, and then I'm liking it, honestly. We just need to get that piece of wood, the one that's standing by the car. That one we need to trim in half so we can fit it right here, so there isn't this gap. And then we're gonna cut right here and move this support bottom one inside, and then this, I don't know, we'll do something with it, I don't know. But yeah, so it's looking like a table. I'm just putting this one together because the gap was bigger. And I'm putting this one right here. So yeah, I'm loving it right now. Wear eye protection and gloves and all that stuff. I'm not doing any of that. Don't be me. Don't be me on this. Woo! Alright, there we go. Solid. That's what I like, solid. Yeah. Alright, like I said, afterwards, whenever the length and all that stuff is good, like if you see it's kind of floaty. Freaking Home Depot sucks at cutting. So I made one leg extra shorter, which is this one. Whatever. When we make it shorter, I will add the support ones to this side, right here, and then one going that way. Because since this will be like the face of the table, I want to be able to get in here just in case, and I don't have to hit my shins all the time, because that would suck. But yeah, so we'll pick this up whenever I'm doing the other stuff. I'm going to start putting all the car stuff up here, so my garage doesn't look like I don't know, a trash bin or something like that. So yeah, and then on top of that, we're going to put a smooth layer so there isn't gaps or anything like that, or I don't get any, what are those called?
Splinters.
Splinters, yes. And yeah, it look cool, and we'll paint it. So if you want to suggest some colors for what we should paint it, comment them down below. And again, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all next time.